The next awards category for PropTech ERP Solution of the Year acknowledges the solution displaying the professionalism and features contributing to business productivity. And the award goes to StrategicERP.
Ladies and gentlemen, also now calling upon Mr. Ashvin Gami, the Managing Director, Strategic ERP. Congratulations, Mr. Gami, on that wonderful win. We'd love to now hear from you.
Thank you, Bhavna, very much. So we are grateful to Realty Plus for acknowledging the hard work put in by our team at Strategic ERP. And we see a lot of efforts by Realty Plus, bringing together all the contributors to the industry. And it's not a job to automate or to digitize real estate. So certainly it's great things. And from our side, we are trying our best to bring in technologies from cloud, mobility, business analytics, and artificial intelligence. This is what we would be contributing in future. So thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you so much, and thank you for sharing your future vision as well. Definitely shall keep you and your entire team motivated, and congratulations once again.
Thank you very much.